Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up segment for event tracking and integrations, complete guide step by step clearly. To set up segment for event tracking and integrations, start by creating a segment account. Once logged in, navigate to the Sources tab in the segment dashboard. Click on Add Source to create a new source for your project. Choose the appropriate source type that matches your application, such as JavaScript, mobile, or server. Provide a name for your source, and fill in the necessary details. After creating the source, you will see the right key displayed on the source settings page. Next, integrate the segment library into your application by following the official documentation. For a web app, include the segment JavaScript snippet in the head section of your HTML file. For mobile apps, follow the specific SDK installation steps for iOS or Android. Once the library is included, implement event tracking by using the Segment API. To track an event, use the analytics.track function along with the event name and properties. Define the events you want to track and be consistent with event naming conventions. After setting up event tracking, it's time to configure your destinations. Navigate to the Destinations tab in the Segment dashboard. Click on Add Destination to choose the services you want to send your data to, such as Google Analytics, Mixpanel, or Amplitude. Follow the configuration steps for each destination, providing any necessary credentials or settings. Once your destinations are configured, return to the Sources tab to ensure your events are being sent correctly. Use the segment debugging tools to test your setup and verify that events are firing as expected. Monitor the data flow to your chosen destinations and troubleshoot any issues. To enhance your setup, consider implementing additional features like user identification or tracking page views. Use the segment documentation to explore advanced features like data transformations or webhooks. Once you're satisfied with your configuration, review your event data in the respective dashboard of each destination. Regularly check your analytics to ensure accurate tracking and make adjustments as needed. With these steps completed, you have successfully set up segment for event tracking and integrations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.